Hi everyone, I'm Hannah, the HBL Ambassador for Charity, and I'm sure by now you've heard about the devastating news taking place in Palestine, which is why we'll be having our first charity drive of the year. Our head boy and head girl will tell you a bit more about it.
On the 7th of October, a conflict unfolded in Palestine, leading to the deaths of hundreds of families. Tragically, 2.2 million people are now left without essentials such as food, water, and electricity.
The recent bombing of the Al Ahli hospital has led to the devastating loss of over 700 children. Now there is only one operating hospital in Gaza.
Additionally, the mass exodus of Palestinians has increased the humanitarian crisis currently taking place in the region.
We should always encourage each other to help our neighboring countries as much as possible.
Students and parents can contribute by donating canned food that can be preserved, hygiene products, tents, blankets, new clothes, or even money. So let's all come together in the spirit of humanity and show the people of Palestine that they're not alone.
By donating, we're recognizing our privilege and showing the kind of behavior we want our younger generations to adapt. This is our chance to display empathy, compassion, and the values we're taught at school and by our parents.